Hi, welcome to Don's Manufactory. Well, working on Betsy here. Thought I'd show you a real quick thing here. This is a little deal I'm working up for essentially masking the inside of the cowl. Basically, it's just a dowel. It's a 1/2-inch dowel. And I have some masking paper on it that I can just roll out. It's got welding rod at the end there to kind of hold it in place so it doesn't flip around too much. And anyway, this is, I'm about to put this in and we'll see how it works, huh? Yeah. I put it in like this so I can roll it out and feed it across inside, and it's got enough extra paper to go up the inside like so. Anyway, that's the idea, and then of course the whole assembly is small enough. Here we go. Yeah, the whole thing is small enough to go in these holes in the side. And all I have to do is hit that hole on the other side, which was a little difficult in the trials. I can kind of tell where it has to be. So, and all I have to do it once. Come on. There it goes. Whew! Hopefully you can see that. So now what I do is I just unroll it. Here, see, like so. Just like that. Now with any luck, that will just stay there. It shouldn't flutter around too much with the welding rod on one side. In fact, let's blow it with a little bit of air and find out. That's fine. That little masking task is complete. So now I just have to mask the wheels and from the pinch weld to the floor, and the masking is done, and then I got to do some final cleanups and preps on the car, and I'll be shooting the MP170 epoxy. Okay, that's the haps. It ain't much. Well, I got the coat of epoxy on the car. So it, hopefully, this stuff will stick. High build primer is on the car. Woohoo! So tomorrow, I'll just be masking and then shooting the jams. Well, only thing left to do now is clean up. Clean everything. I got the car all masked up and ready for the next phase, which is shooting the jams. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it good enough. Got her all peeled. It looks pretty good.
I ended up getting a little bit of crap in it when I was pulling the paper, but oh well, it's on the surface, it's not in the paint, so it'll be easy to get rid of.
Well, it's 3 days later. The paint has set up really well. It's just this little bit of odor, but it hardened up really great, and there's no lifting or peeling, so this paint's going to work good. So, yeah, that's it for Betsy. Thanks for taking the time to give her a look over, and I'll keep you posted how it goes. Next up is getting the doors up here and get them stripped and primed. Okay, I'll catch you later.